Hello everyone. So if you want to enable, disable and use circle to search option on your Android phone, follow the simple steps. So first of all, let's open up our settings and let's enable this option. Now scroll down to your home screen. On some phone models it may be hidden in the display. Let's open up our home screen. To that, locate your system navigation. Keep in mind that this option works both with buttons and with gestures, so it doesn't really matter. Now locate your shortcuts and you can set it up on every button. However, I'm going to set it up on home button. So let's choose press and hold home button option and choose your circle to search. Great, now it is enabled. So how do we use it? Let's hold our home button. And as you see, we've been put in this menu, everything is glittering, and we have this Google tab at the bottom. So what can you do with circle to search? Let's try and circle any object which we see on our screen. For example, let it be our Play Store. And as you see, it's immediately searching up all the results and we can see what it is. So as you see, AI overview from Google tells us that this is the icon of Google Play Store, for example. And basically you can do this with anything. It works just like Google Lens, but it's a bit more faster and convenient. Let's try something else. Let's try opening up a Play Store and let's search something here, for example, Steam. There we are. Now we got the results on Steam. You can rearrange this window to get more results on anything. And basically that's how it works. So explore it yourself and it can be a very useful tool. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.